How China is transforming Africa. The Belt and Road expand. China has implemented several policies and measures to control its population growth over the years. One of the most well-known policies is the one-child policy, which was implemented in 1979 and lasted until 2015. The policy restricted most urban couples to only have one child, while rural families were allowed to have two if the first child was a girl. The policy aimed to slow down the population growth rate, reduce pressure on resources, and improve the overall quality of life for Chinese citizens. However, China has since revised its population control policies and has implemented the two-child policy in 2016, allowing all couples to have two children. The change was made due to concerns about an aging population, shrinking workforce, and a gender imbalance caused by the one-child policy. As for the Belt and Road Initiative, BRI, it is a development strategy launched by the Chinese government in 2013. The initiative aims to promote economic and cultural exchange between China and countries in Asia, Europe, Africa, and the Middle East by building infrastructure and investing in projects in those regions. While the BRI is not directly related to China's population control policies, it is a significant initiative that could impact global climate change. The BRI involves the construction of new infrastructure, such as roads, railways, and ports, which could potentially increase carbon emissions and worsen climate change. However, China has pledged to make the BRI projects environmentally sustainable and has included green development as a core principle of the initiative. Furthermore, China has taken steps to address climate change through its domestic policies, such as investing in renewable energy and reducing greenhouse gas emissions. The country has set a target to reach peak carbon emissions by 2030 and achieve carbon neutrality by 2060. In summary, China's population control policies have shifted over the years, with the one-child policy being replaced by the two-child policy. The Belt and Road Initiative is not directly related to population control policies but could impact global climate change. China has pledged to make the BRI projects environmentally sustainable and has taken steps to address climate change through its domestic policies. Thanks for watching.